Asante sana mwanahabari wetu Vera Albata kwa taarifa hiyo. Ni dhahiri shahiri kuwa mafuriko imeathiri pakubwa sekta ya afya. Na sasa Wizara ya Afya imeibua hofu kuhusu mkurupuko wa maradhi ya kipindupindu ambapo visa zaidi ya 50 vimethibitishwa kufikia sasa. Kwingineko, mafuriko pia yametatiza shughuli za usafiri, mamilioni ya Wakenya wakishindwa kufika katika vituo vya afya.
Ladies and gentlemen, infectious diseases remain a serious health challenge across Africa, and particularly the Eastern and Southern African region. We have frequent outbreaks. Even as a country now, this morning I had a brief, we have about 56 cases of cholera. So we have frequent outbreaks of Ebola, Marburg, yellow fever, and chikungunya in the recent years. And these outbreaks continue to exert pressure on our health systems.
Where we formed the multi-agency team, the national team that is coordinating the emergency, and that's why we are calling upon the development partners who are able to support the country. We have, for example, AMREF, we have Red Cross. They have all gone down to Tana River and we are supporting them. We are making sure that we are able to provide medication. We've mapped our partners who are supporting different, who play different roles. Those who are giving us medications, who are giving us food to distribute to those who are affected, especially those who are in the camps. So it's a well-coordinated project. This time, I think our response has been very effective, and you all agree that the coordinated approach that we've had on this emergency has really helped. Otherwise, we could have seen a lot of other cases of death going up.
Mbali na taarifa hiyo, kwingineko